Hello, welcome back to the channel. You might have heard the phrase that wealth explodes after your first crore. But the million dollar question is how to actually get to that point. That means how to actually reach to that first crore. I've also created a video called Does Wealth Explodes After 1 Crore and explained what exactly happens when you reach to that magical figure. In simple terms, it is because of the compound interest. The more money you have, like 1 crore, the more money you can accumulate through the interest and the cycle continues. But building that first crore takes time. It actually takes time, discipline, and a solid strategy too. And today I am going to show you exactly how to get to the 1 crore mark. I have not reached the first crore mark, but I have my strategy in place to reach there as soon as possible. The first and foremost rule for any financial goal is to have a plan. For example, if your plan is to accumulate 1 crore, you have to ask few questions to yourself itself. That what is your timeline? How much you can save per month? That means if your timeline is, say for example 10 years and you can save only 10,000, then my friend, you cannot reach to that 1 crore mark in 10 years. For example, if your timeline is 15 years, then you have to invest around rupees 20,000 with 12% in returns. Whereas if your timeline is 10 years, then you have to invest around rupees 43,000 to get to that 1 crore mark with 12% returns. Similarly, if you want to achieve 1 crore mark in 5 years, then you have to invest rupees 1,22,000 to get to that 1 crore mark with 12% returns. You should not be depriving yourself to get to that 1 crore. The best possible way is to have, you have to track your spending as well as funnel more money into the investment. Saving alone won't get to that crore easily. That's why you have to learn the power of compounding. That's because the money you invest today will multiply itself over the years. So that's why the money does the heavy lifting in the compound interest, and that's why they say that you have to start early. Once you start early, you have the time with you so that the compound interest will take place. Also, you should not put all your eggs in one basket. That means you don't invest all your money in one asset class. You have to spread your investment across like stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or even alternative assets like gold or silver. Even you can invest some part of your investment into crypto too. Stocks tend to provide the higher returns, but they come with risk, and that's why we have to have diversification of our investments. Similarly, mutual fund can provide safer middle ground, and real estate gives you that tangible asset. Once you hit that first crore, things start to change. Your investment gain momentum and the returns starts to shoot. Suddenly, the path to your second and third crore feels more achievable because your wealth is growing exponentially. But remember, the journey doesn't stop there. Your goal shouldn't be just hitting 1 crore, but building a sustainable wealth for the long term. And that starts with the first step, that is to accumulate the first crore. As I said, I have not reached to the 1 crore mark, but I am consistently investing and accumulated these investments till now. Mutual fund, that is, I have 24 lakhs of mutual fund with me. Stocks and ETFs, 8.5 lakhs. Crypto, 10 lakhs. PF, Provident Fund, 15 lakhs. FD, that is fixed deposit, 2.5 lakhs. LIC, 5 lakhs. I know LIC is a bad investment, but I am continuing with it. That's it. 60 lakhs, and hopefully I will reach to that 1 crore mark by 2026. That is another 2 years. So it took me close to 10 years. I'm investing from the last 10 years. I'm investing from the last 8 years, and in another 2 years I might reach to that 1 crore mark. So are you ready to make your first crore? Then start investing today. And don't expect that returns will be 15%, 16% or 20%. Keep your investments such that you expect that your investment will grow at a rate of 12%. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, because as of now the bull market is going on, but there can be a situation where the bear market comes, where the returns will dip. So in the longer duration, think about that you can have up to 10 to 15% returns, and that's how you can plan or make the strategy. So if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and wealth building. Thank you.